Ah, well, the dynamic say so be a ho ye jam. Ghana nko so ntia na e nyina obi a ha. Na two like almost the 2000 to silence another.
Bɛtrayal.
Na o send you obi sika to silence him. This modern Ghana 2000. What 2000?
Say omo 3D4 no. They get them for at least 500 cities cry. So you see they are thinking say say NDC for the 500 cities na dey more ma maybe MPP need the 2000 man or we can note online no.
Interesting.
But what do you think? Say a bit me talk go down melo. Oh, sorry. But when I see bio. It was a comment me a request. Let's have a conversation. All this going on. So I spoke about the fact say Julius Debra yeah, he has lost the support of John Mahama. They say John Mahama is trying to push a Ato Force and John Jinapo. And I also spoke about the fact say Sami Miami are making lost 214 million and they sent me my share. But the share nature. I also spoke about the fact say tribal politics NDC mudie NPP mudie enye it will destroy the party. Uncle Green, good evening. I think morning from here. It's saying
Yeah, hello?
yes, you are connected. It's saying
Okay.
yo.
Yeah,
Let's hear you. 5 minutes.
because I've landed.
Oh, okay. Thank you for joining.
Yeah. Yeah. This is my first time. I think I like your submissions.
It does say.
It looks like NDC government they're trying to fool Ghanaians, but the Ghanaians can't see. And then I am a Yano. And if we get guys like you, I'm to expose you or more, it will be very good. So I say because the Omani kono menti aseɛ sɛ dollar wɔ fam na nneɛma bɔɔden dollar wɔ fam cement boa akɔ na ɛkɔ soro. So what's the secret? What's going on? Secondly, NPP adɛn na mo allow kana Japan ɔkeka nsɛm basabasa saa. I don't think it's right. We have to hold him accountable. Owosika onyasika free NPP. And no, I was a baby obey piano on drink in Chimano so. And all your programs are more address away. But NDC dear, in himself bomb man chrono. And what's happening is almost leaders, appointees, most of them have cases in court. And I'm remind them say is not case in court never end. Any government can pick up and act on it.
Yeah. Yo, but I heard you speak several Kenyapo campaign now. It's not you don't like it, but I want to ask. Say party leadership no say they will not be able to do anything until the election is over. Anna.
Yeah, but do they want to wait for him to destroy? Because to say one winner, that's what destroy will lead and a dear message now be debunk the kind.
Right.
So I say fine. We are back together to campaign together. Now I can say when you're good leader, why you say into go join platform so we'll be catch us say some of our will lead that way. What do you think about it? I feel like I said na boy. They have to act because NPP NDC when do forecast obejano one day or by no. What is what can be after current leader and holder? Never.
Debbie.
Yeah. But why NPP?
Right.
Why?
Yeah. Me that say Uncle Green and becoming more often. We are here almost all the
Yeah.
time.
Yeah. I like you. And so family details near Kasanami or a lot of information for you.
Thank you. I appreciate. We'll talk.
Okay, you're welcome. Okay.
All right. Yes, okay. Uncle Felix. Bye. Yeah. Uncle Felix, good morning from this side. I know it's evening around your end. Maestro, you're welcome.
Yes, birthday boy.
Oh, birthday,
good morning from this side.
I think you're driving.
Evening here.
Welcome.
Yes, birthday boy.
Oh, baby,
Good morning from this side. Evening here.
Now I think Uncle Phyllis is driving, so
He's
I
driving.
mean, or
Yeah, sorry, the voice.
yes,
Yeah, okay. All right, so the voice, unim.
Debbie.
And then I just say, we more elections in the way
Yeah.
and you lost by just 4 votes.
Yes. Yeah.
Thanks for being. Confirm face can share demo. I'm on face can share. Anyways, next time. Good luck
Oh,
to
yes.
I mean,
Sure.
I mean, a better luck next time. I know said the next
Sure.
time you stand for anything, no, it's
Yeah,
going
sure.
to.
Yeah.
It's going to go because just to lose
Uncle
by
Felix.
4 people, that's good.
Kosonia idea. Who reflected on a BAC 2013 and 2023. Yeah. Maybe Anya would day. Doesn't mean say in a way no Emma what harbor some kind of bitterness be against the Tabaumiana.
Me mean one that they cry. My life, no, he doesn't exist.
Hey.
Because he is existent to make money. Okay. That's how I see myself. What do you say? I brought him but I just don't want to say anything. Now, Obio did my tembia on him. One day, Assembly C, our president, Akufo-Addo fee, the boy Papa Bidin. Now, Obianio, if you work the next day, no more pursue and say, oh, okay. But, me thought Obia some ancient trip.
Okay.
Madam, what is your team now?
All right, me da say say haya eye emame. Enti we ye Honorable Kennedy akompreko Japan. O ka say ensemo a abronya no moye nyina no Bawumia ehye. And in fact, he even went further to say onne na Akufo-Addo no makodi nkomo nkomo no obi aka ho asem ba bi nti Bawumia kra na de nkomo ni mu asem ekobo abronya no mamane emomode ejiri natem. I see. Ghana for Bekaya early this year. Ana ya chiche ma wuntumi. Na ya chiche ma wuntumi no. Yenya abrantie bi fi Honorable Ken Japan camp. Aye no Alex Kwekutete. Yesi oye in charge of special operations Emma Honorable Ken Japan campaign team no. Ana oba abontin ebeka say ono ene ko report chiche ma wuntumi edema yokufo. Na one chema wuntumi anante pen ti baabi a chema wuntumi nan bia no onim ti on de koka chema wuntumi yokofo kra baabi a chema wuntumi wonom ne ade nyina. And he went further to say a whole lot of things and a whole lot of allegations etia chema wuntumi. In fact, oka kra se chema wuntumi cars bi ne ade sesese kra nyina yokofo befa ambo esi akwa church baabi e wo nyina ampani ne meka say chema wuntumi cars nyina no yokofo age. Make us say Yokofo freezing in ya. Etin betina fidie so kan say abrantie no ade na oye no oye adwuma edema Honorable Ken Japan. Na Honorable Ken Japan eni e madwen ya me say eniema a chema wuntumi efemu no onim hu bi. Professor Dabi Honorable Ken Japan no akoyoko ho ekogina kan say Alex Kwekutete no crown de onim ni ntu esa na wakasa kire no eni sesesem ene koya ni etukotwae. Brian Champon, Dr. Brian Champon eka bibi efa Honorable Ken Japan campaign o ni ehu ya na kwaku Alex Kwekutete na watie si no so watisi ni so no o say Brian Champon awia fertilizers na Brian Champon awia no say fertilizer you say enti allegations upon allegation and obey the good Dr. Bɛtrayal Champon so e the good anymore say. So Dr. Bɛtrayal Champon have to go around the country, especially the northern part of Ghana, trying to explain to a party for the Ghana for say we are fertilizer bia Alex Kwekutete or you say or you expect director special operations Edma Honorable Ken Japan campaign team. Men kan kwachiri other allegations in any ma wa coming kan kwachiri. And now no kwesi adai. Anana ememere dempo. Na Honorable Sarah Adwoasafo. Eshia delegate Eldomi Kwabenya. Me na me oho. Me ko hobi. Me ne God answer be di akon. In fact dan me kasa e was a meeting ase. God in so kasa e ko kasa was a meeting ase. Honorable Sarah Adwoasafo kasa wie no. Ne kasa no isa ne say okasa with passion na oka no krechi nipa na anye nipa denti Alex Kwekutete atias mu biem ama fiti the whole week no abusuafo dia wadi adwoasafo atem ene sopa wa sopa adwoasafo no esiwani ense ka kire. I don't want to play back those videos and fan kire etiefo. In fact, we accuse adwoasafo of sleeping with everybody in NPP. If it Nana Akufo-Addo so ekosi the last person say oni obi ada e o party nim. In fact, we kakra kan say adwoasafo ni obi da entina na bokana Japan obufu ye e na omuntem say ni say anopa me bisa a simple question. Ona bokana Japan say okọ Nana Akufo-Addo fie ni ba omianum koye meeting na obo obi din ofiri meeting na se no na obi ate e ma some information about bonten nti e ba omia e na this information no ekoye enu ti ba omia nim omo edi na tam nyina no ba omia nim hu bi. Maybe sir a simple question. Honorable Can Japan specifically mebodin we specifically maybe sir a question we Alex Kwaku tete say honorable adwasafo ene Sir John Kodai enu nti na wo ne adwasafo ejaye enti wo maybe sir simple question say wo honorable Can Japan wo na o ka kire Alex Kwaku tete say Sir John ne adwasafo na dai nti na wo ni jaye ana Nia Alex Kwaku tete no or ye in your name. And in fact, and try baby o jina ye and a kasa nyina no now cars branded cars ejina chire. Ye hunu odi ye wuntumi. Ye hunu odi ye brand champon. Ye hunu odi ye party for bebre and ye hunia Alex Kwaku tete e dia ye adwoasafo this week because adwoasafo akasa amana no akira Honorable Can Japan. Honorable Can Japan say Bawumia and enim Abronye has never been part of Bawumia campaign team. Last primaries, Abronye wasn't part of Bawumia's campaign team. This time, Abronye is not part of Bawumia's campaign team. And in fact, Abronye any Honorable Can Japan tokano maybe nim baby a free Abronye before say or best set up New Here TV no mo kai so ba habe empemi no many Abronye share o baby what catch them the reason why in fact we didn't share crowd usunya first. Or catch me the reason why in Tia only Honorable Can Japan a personal problem. He told me, or catch him sunyai, or catch them even months before Christ said, or Beshani advocates now say, or catch them the problem he has with Honorable Can Japan. It has nothing to do with Bawumia. But Honorable Can Japan say, yen blame Bawumia. Na enuntino se Bawumia or Bawumia crano, he doesn't exist. Se Bawumia exists here. And kobedi Bawumia bone obeka so obedi bone out here say ebetimi ayekum ebetimi bibia say madwene mu no you don't exist if you exist and can be bone hey obeka so obedi obi just that statement na it's pregnant it means a lot it means obetimi kura kum Bawumia free wiase obia betimi interpret no said your tia say bia e te say woni obi anya asem na waka say twen na behu na ade be kina nipa na wu we are first suspect. So if Honorable Can Japan wants Ghanaians to believe, say, Abronye, our regional chairman, our his own man, his own party executive, no, or Nadia, Bawumia dia, then I am putting it to Honorable Kennedy Akompreko Japan say, Alex Kwaku tete ayate say, or a special director in charge of special operations, no, adia or yeni nyina no, no nasumano. I am putting it to him. Say, Honorable Can Japan, Alex Kwaku tete, ya tifi won't me as a case ye breso, and ya say, or your director in charge of special operations at the Mao campaign. And in your ye be obia, one in the Benyas and Biano, no atia gunipanoso, and radie, wako to the extent of say, wako to join, akotonsa, abo abo atachi dua, abo adwasafu dua, abo nipa bebere dua, ewo NPP mu. Is that how we want to govern this noble NPP? JB Dan kwa no party no. Dombo no party no. Buzia no party no. Darocha no party no. Dambotwe no party no. Kofo no party no. Party no a friend say kwa mesafo adunum ye no. Party no sa party no. Enu nie. Eno na nipa epese ebedi animu no. Ya assign nipa character assassination. And then you call a maso, near didi a matem, and now when you obey anyway other, when you other, when you other, when you other, Sabio Sabi. Adianchi. Now so being that Sabi, Neban, wano. wano on na pen ho no ne nkrofo be da what is your problem na dia wo so hwe yo papa bi ekowia obi kowia obi koko na okobodua e na o se bodua ne kam de ne ho na ne wira fi se koko na kan wa fa akoto adi nti obodua no no na wuye na ye ka enipa ne nkrofo adeda ne yesi ye mo wo bo ho dua de a ende hwe ne wanko na wo kana Japan because yes enipa o man kana Japan so as bema ene o madeda okroma nyina se ye ba abonti abekasa kwakuta de obedwane o obedwane